So now let's see what a 3 BHK in Liberty Square looks like. So right now I'm standing in the living dining area of our 3 bedroom, which itself is a very big rectangular shape, nicely done. Okay, and it is also similar to our 2 bedroom, where we try to utilize every inch of our 3 bedroom space. So there is no space wastage, or it's also called as zero floor wastage floor plan. Okay, so every corner of the room, every corner of this apartment has been used. So on this side of the corner we have our master bedroom. On this side of our bedroom corner we have our second bedroom. On that corner we have our third bedroom, and the last corner we have our kitchen. So that's how we have utilized all the corners. So this is very beautiful design in terms of internal privacy also, the family privacy, I can say. So for example, or to say in general, a 3 bedroom apartment is particularly for the people who have a 3 generation in their family. When I say 3 generations, so let's say if I'm married, I have my parents living with me, I have my wife, and I also have my kids, 1 or 2 kids with me. So when 3 bedroom comes in the picture, let's say this is the bedroom which is being occupied by me and my wife, and this bedroom is being occupied by my parents, and there's one more bedroom which has been occupied by my kid. So see, they all inside their room and they all have their privacy. We all have our privacy, and still we all are connected within one apartment. So that's how the privacy and the openness is also there in this 3 bedroom. So now we are standing in the master bedroom of our 3 bedroom set. You can see in the back side, this is the main door of your master bedroom. Towards right, I have the bathroom attached to this bedroom, and I also have this wardrobe space over here. And I have a big double-sized bed kept in this bedroom. I have a side tables put it side by to my bed. Then I also have a table unit kept over here, and a TV table unit kept over here, where you can put your TV, enjoy the TV view from your bed. Then I have a very big window towards in front of me, towards your right of the bed, where you can have a very good view of this project's amenities, like your park view, your pool view. Okay, and then as I pointed out earlier, also this project is having around 70% as an open space. So this will also gonna help you to get some more light and ventilation inside the room. So now we are standing in the second bedroom of our 3 bedroom set. You can say this is also very spacious bedroom, in which we have put a double-sized bed. You have a big cupboard over there. You have a side tables over there. You have a very big window on the left side of your bed. So that's again gonna have a very good lighting and ventilation coming into the bedroom. And you also have very ample space to walk around your bed also. So now we are in the very happening area of our 3 bedroom set. This is our 3rd bedroom, where your most probably kids gonna be living in. So as I told you, this 3 bedroom we built for a family who had a 3 generation in the family. So we covered your room, your master bedroom. We covered 2 bedroom, 2nd bedroom for your parents or guests, and this is 3rd bedroom. So I'm assuming you have 1 kid. So we have put a single bed over here, which is also a convertible bed, smart bed we can say. And I have a very beautiful chair in here for your kid to sit, and a table over here where he or she can study. And we have a wardrobe over here where he or she can put their stuffs, be it clothes, books, or something like that, anything they can. And then on the back side of me, I have very big window similar to your master bedroom, which gonna have a very good view in terms of your view from your kids' bedroom. So now you can see this is where our balcony is. One thing I want to highlight over here is all our window panes are made up of UPVC material, and these glasses are low emissive glasses, which help you to the heat which is coming from sunlight. They will help it to reduce by around 70 to 80%. Then this UPVC frames, windows, and the panels are also soundproof, which means the sound from outside coming inside your home gonna be reduced by at least 50 to 60%. You can see the effect if I open it. you're gonna have a sound of generator in the background because a generator is running in the back of me. But once I close it, there gonna be no sound of that. So that's how this glass I can show you that have sound. So now I am standing in our beautiful kitchen of our 3-bedroom. You can see here also we have a L-shaped slab put it. Very good sink of a very good quality. It's from Jaguar, I can say, and we also going to provide you this Jaguar sink and taps. So it's a high standard quality we are providing. The Dodo tiles are there, which are kept above your slab, and that also something we're going to provide you with this apartment. See, you have everything in this kitchen. The space, you can see there's too much of space in this kitchen where at least 2-3 person can stand easily. Because and this is also a kind of an open kitchen which is having just opposite you have your dining area and the living area.